What's up, guys? So I don't think I ever, no, I never did.
What?
Edit any videos for this car.
Really?
I never did. I started, but all my shit kept running out of memory because the videos was too long. Well, shit. I'm a lazy fuck, and this car has come a long way since it came here. But today we're putting a quick release steering wheel in it.
Okay.
You want me to try it? Here. Don't laugh at my nips, Keith. That thing's recording. Damn it! It locked right there. First, we're going to take out two screws. Two T30 screws on the side of your steering wheels. One's right here, one's right here. Take a shower, I smell like shit.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Could you put that battery on real quick, please?
Yeah. All right, it's back on.
You want to come closer? Alright. Got the screw out. Can you turn it back off, please? Alright, so after those screws are out, you just take the airbag off. Yep. And then, if you're going to be a plug right here, and we're going to unplug them. Oh, I hate these plugs. I gotta sit here and look at it. See how it comes off. Have you seen any of these videos yet?
Nope.
I didn't watch one.
You know why? Because there's no fucking videos out there.
Are you serious? So we're
Not
making,
for not
we're
for
making
these.
the first video? Oh shit.
Yeah, to be honest with you, yeah.
Alright, cool.
There's no videos with a 10th gen Civic doing a fucking quick release. There's people out there with them, but they haven't done any videos on them, so this will be the first.
Yeah.
So you should feel accomplished.
Yep. You guys can see me mess this up and learn from it. It doesn't unplug from that side. It has. The steering wheel unplugs right here. Steering wheel's off. This comes off right here. It looks like this yellow clip holds the clip inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get a little pick real quick.
Should be able to clip right out.
Where's the phone?
Yeah, it should be able to. I think if you like lift this up and then
Let me see.
see how that white piece lifts up, kind of sort of. Text me. Try this white piece. See how this white piece lifts up. See?
Ah, wow. Oh, my finger was right in front of the camera the whole time, bro.
Let me see.
So yeah, those little white tabs, you pry up on it and the thing comes right out, dude. Ah, just like that. All right, Honda guys. There you go. That's how you violate a car.
Violate a car?
Yep.
Or what's next?
We need that big ass Allen bolt in the center is what we need. I'm gonna need a pulley. This is gonna be a long video because it's just recording.
How does this come up right here?
What? Is it another plug?
This piece right here. Plug piece.
Oh, that just comes right off. Pull it.
Oh, just pull it off.
Yeah, it's a ground wire.
Bitch, come on.
Use this. Try to go on that side and push through the center. No, right in the center. It should be like a little hole.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
There you go. Alright, there goes a Honda airbag. That's how you steal those. No, don't go stealing airbags, people. No joke, this thing is how much?
This is like $600.
Yeah. Alright, now we need that big motherfucker right there.
How do we get that?
We gotta get the big Allen freaking thingy. The thingy that does things when you turn it in things. I think I have one of those things right here. I hope that fits. It's pretty big. Here, you want to try one of these? That last one seems pretty big.
This one?
Yeah. If my phone battery low, I might be screwed.
Yeah, it works. It fits.
Let me see. Does it wiggle? Oh, sweet. Perfect. First try. I'm going to get the impact gun. Here, you want a cameraman? Entertain the folks.
Well, this is what the wheel looks like. Quick release. Right here. The adapter. All this stuff right here. Yeah. This was all like separately packaged. It just fucking. I just took it apart last night because I wanted to mess around with it a little bit. But yeah.
Okay, so we're recording. Hey, dudes and dudettes. Welcome to Pranks.
God, man.
Alright, so we just took this airbag off the steering wheel. We're putting a quick release in this car. And right now we got this big ass, whatever this says, whatever it is. We got this big ass Allen key. And we got this adapter. And we got this impact gun. Alright, we're going to put them together. And we're going to take the steering wheel off. We're going to have to get a pulley too. Pull the steering wheel off. That motherfucker was in there. So use an impact gun. Don't try a ratchet. And now, what we have to do is, we got to get a pulley puller and 2 screws. Let me see that. Alright, we're going to put 2 screws here on a pulley puller. We're going to tighten the pulley puller. It's going to pull the steering wheel off. This ground got to come off too. You see that little screw?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. So I'm going to get a pulley puller and be back with you. You got to turn it sideways. Is it recorded?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so funny moment real quick. I didn't need a pulley puller. It just comes off. So make sure that clock ring sits straight. Put this back where it was. Right there. Go ahead, you half retarded ass cunt. Alright, so I'm going to leave that right there for a second. I'm going to get a screwdriver and take that screw off. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm new to this cameraman crap. Jesus. Yeah, that screw is tight. Can you give me that yellow hammer? Last thing I want to do is strip it. Got it. That shit almost stripped.
Take notes, people. Take notes.
Yeah, if you don't want the screw to strip, if you just put pressure on it and try to turn it, it's real easy to strip a screw. It's humid today. Sorry, folks. It's real easy to strip a screw, so if you put vibration through it by tapping on it, it'll break it free without stripping it. So, yay, that's done. It looks weird in here with no steering wheel.
Looks ugly.
It's real ugly. Alright, now that that's gone. Alright. Alright. Alright, that goes that way. Alright, so everything was centered when the steering wheel was pulled off, so just gonna run the wires through that little crack and center up these screws. Oh, nope, this is the top. Is this the top? You got a little white dot here. That's definitely the top. But then that wouldn't work because the wires can't reach. I'm putting it upside down on purpose. So I'm gonna line up this little white dot here with this mark on the shaft. As you can hardly see it. It's like so hard to see it. Right there, you see that little mark? I line that up with this dot. Bam. So that's taken care of. Now I gotta situate the rest of this. So let me read something. Alright, so there's no instructions on the internet anywhere on how to do this. And I just figured out that the horn wire actually is connected to the steering wheel with this plug here. So when you ground out the horn, it functions. So what I'm gonna do is take apart this steering wheel and take this wiring harness and see which one of these wires, or just take the wiring harness and go through it and see which wire I need to keep plugged in and get rid of the rest. So I'll be right back once I have this apart. That shit's difficult. Difficult level 10. I know I just need to be real patient right now, and I'll eventually figure it out. The steering wheel still has some plastic on it. Oh, okay. Ooh, I'm over here fucking shit up. There we go. I was doing it wrong. I gotta figure out how to get these plugs off of here so I can take the wires.
Go.
Alright, so long story short, I took this little thingy thing right here and I'll put it on a wire like this and I push it down and it came out. Did that on both sides of the wheel, and then I came around here, tugged on this while pushing down these two clips at the same time, and it pops off and it gives me what I want. This is what I want. So now this wire sets off the horn.
The white one, right?
This black one.
Oh, the black one?
Yeah, when you ground this out, it sets off the horn. So what I want to do is, I'm going to unwrap this harness and trace this back to the plug. And then I'm going to keep this one wire and the other black ground wire. I'm going to keep both the black ground wires and get rid of the rest. So I'll be right back with you.
Focus, bitch. Okay, there we go.
Alright, so I just unraveled all the tape off these wires. This is the black wire that was grounded to the steering wheel that had the screw on it we took off. And this is the other wire that was grounded to the airbag. So I unwrapped the harness and they're both right here on this side of the harness. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep these two wires and we're going to depin this harness. This clip, we're going to depin it and take off all the extra wires. So I'll be right back.
Do you know them?
No.
What if
you want his Civic done shit? Pull up, bro.
What if he comes over here and is like, yo?
He should, so I could tell him, go buy some parts and slide through, bro. I got you.
Anyways, back to business.
Alright, so basically I opened up the clip and I couldn't unprong them, so I just cut them bitches all off. Just chopped them off. All of them. And just sent it. So I'm going to set the clock ring right here real straight, real quick. I'm going to plug this in here and test it. Alright, so we're going to use those for the horn. And then these resistors go on the airbag plugs to keep your airbag light from coming on, dude. There should be 2 in a pack. So, yeah, sweet. Let me set this up real quick.
Fucking fly, dog.
Yeah, it's annoying.
You got all this damn open air. You want to find the car.
Alright. I need this to stay here. Bitch, who said fall? Whatever. I'm gonna just worry about the horn real quick. So, I'm pretty sure this looks very confusing right now, but basically, this black ground wire that came out with the pink wire for the horn gets grounded out right here on this screw. Come on, focus. It gets grounded out right there, and then the pink wire goes into the horn, and then the yellow wire gets grounded to where that screw is grounded as well. And then it goes to the horn. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright,
so
guys.
the hub resistors work, right?
Huh?
The hub,
resistors
airbag?
definitely working, so there's no airbag light. But we have an issue. The airbag light's not on, but since the plugs for the adaptive cruise control is gone, this thing is throwing up all the lights you could ever think of. Traction control, tire pressure, well, there's different rims on here. Freaking link assist, freaking lane assist, So if you don't care about any of that, it doesn't matter. But if you do care about this, I'm pretty sure you could go to the backside of the clock ring, follow the wires for all of that. And if you follow those wires from the back of the clock ring, you can cut them off basically and tie them back to the switch from the steering wheel and relocate the switch to somewhere else in the car. And that will be able to give you back your adaptive cruise control and all that and still have your cool steering wheel. So yeah, if you guys would like to see that, just let me know. But I'm gonna get the steering wheel on. Be right back.
Damn, this quality is unmatched compared to your phone.
Yeah, I know my phone's booty, bro. Holy Jesus, I need to buy an iPhone. Like, yo, that's a legit real reaction right there. Yeah, so long story short, we just figured out all the wires on this steering wheel, figuring out and you know, getting rid of the rest. So that's solved. And now you just simply screw the thing together and you have yourself a quick release in a newer model car, you know? So I'll be right back with you when this thing is done and we're driving. Alright, so we got it all put back together. Looking good.
This shit feels so weird.
It does feel weird, right? It's like
weird.
mad close to you.
This shit feels so weird, yo.
It's mad close to you. It's in your face. Oh, I love that Chrysler. I want his rims. You don't need them. Oh, he crashed that shit. Yep, she's turning.